Bore da, good morning. Heading across the fields this morning to the dawn service at Eglwys Llangelynnin. I think the dogs think they're going to the woodland. Skip. Go on now. Go on, Skip. Lots of cars in the car park. I wonder if I'm the only one who's walked over. Very rough, this trackway now. So beautiful. All the blossom on the blackthorn. And that sun just coming up. So I'm now walking on part of the Llwybr Pererin, Pilgrim's Way. I can't help thinking of the generations of people who have walked this way. Of course, this church has been in being since the 1100s. Hear all the bird song. Isn't that lovely? So Skip's not on an Easter egg hunt, but an Easter stick hunt. Da bo chi.